How to set welcome message in Landbot. So first go to your account and then just click on bot builder and then open up your bots, or you can just build a new chatbot if you want. So I'll just open up one of mine. Now from here, as you can see, my chatbot doesn't have any welcome message. So my welcome message is something like this: text, body, and button. So if you want a welcome message, you can just delete this and then make sure your starting point is your welcome message. So just click on the arrow here and then just choose any of the trigger here to be your welcome message. So let's say I want my welcome message to be using buttons. So let's say click on buttons, and then now this block would be, I'll be using this block to my welcome message. So now you can just write your welcome message here. So I'll just write something like, hey, welcome, just press on start to begin the conversation, something like this. And then my button would say, I'll just change the name of the button here. Let's say I'll just type in start here instead. Okay, now just click on close this and then just connect this one to this one. So whenever someone just open up one of our bots, I mean this bot, then the first thing that they will see is this welcome message here. Okay, now just to test it if it works, click on test this bot. And as you can see, now we've just set our own welcome message. Just click on start and the conversation will start. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.